Hi Larry, as you asked me, I'm gonna show you the setup I'm using to do the woodworking. I have this platform that I made with Maria's help, which is about 1.8 meters wide and 2.4 meters long. Okay, I will show you in detail later. Also, I use this plunge circular saw by Makita, and with a rail guide. Okay, so you can adjust here. And also I'm using this vacuum so I can keep the dust from spreading everywhere. About the platform, it has to be very stable and flat so I can walk on top during the cutting. Let me show you. See? It doesn't bend. It doesn't bend the board. Okay, that's very important. In the next video I will show you the platform in details and also how I do the cutting. Bye.